unrecognized command. You do it. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Let's do an official shout out. Let's do an official shout out to Violet Brandini. Go follow her. Thank you so much for gifting goddamn 20 subs.
Did it work?
I don't know.
Let me know if it works though.
Chat, did it work? I'm like got the hiccups in the...
Yeah, it's Tom Petty. I knew this was Tom Petty.
Oh shit.
Did it work? Oh.
I'm screwed.
What?
I'm screwed.
Hiccups?
It didn't work. I'm gonna die. I have to be the first. I gotta be the first one to finish the Cali Crewman. Violet.
How do you spell it?
You do at. You don't. You do at.
At.
Violet. V-I-G-I-O.
Okay, got it.
Do it. Yes, we did. Violet. Go follow Violet, you guys. Thank you so much for the 20 subs. Oh my god, I'm hiccuping. I'm fucking hiccuping.
That's good.
Oh my god. I need to finish this. I'll be the first one ever.
No, you won't.
He said that.
The first one to drink a Cali Creamin'.
Exactly. Boop.
Alright.
I need to finish it.
Alright. Don't drop it.
I won't drop it.
You gotta get rid of those hiccups first.
I can't.
You gotta hold your breath, plug your nose, and swallow 4 times. Swallow 4 times before you breathe. Don't breathe, swallow. 1. Swallow, don't cheat. The hard part is what pumps the fucking shit out of your system. 4, 5, no you didn't. Bullshit, I don't believe it. Alright, you're good then. 6, there's no way you swallowed 6 times.
Yes, I did.
I don't believe it.
My ears feel like they're on an airplane right now. I feel... Cherry Poppins. Oh, shit.
You didn't do it.
I did do it. Shut the fuck. Stop it.
You got this. Keep doing it. Rainbow, stop. Come on, Rainbow. You gotta get out of here. You gotta keep this glass intact. Alright.
It needs to be gone.
You don't need to finish anymore.
Yes, I do. I need to be the first one to finish the Cali Crewman boot. He said it. He gave me a record to finish.
Alright.
I have to do it for the record.
I heard.
I have to do it. If he didn't say that, I wouldn't.
There's no record. He just said you're the first one to pour it. He doesn't. The record is just to pour it. He doesn't need to see anyone drink it. He said you're the first one to drink this beer because nobody likes this gross beer.
Oh man, I need to do it for the record. It's for the record.
All right, then fucking do it, dog.
It's right there.
Get it down. Chug it. Chug all the way up. Bottoms up. Pour that thing up. Gravity. Astronaut.
I'm gonna leave it. It's too warm.
Nope, you gotta drink it.
No,
You're right, dude. It's for the record.
I give up.
Right, I'm gonna drink it for you then.
No, ew, don't.
It's for the record.
Please don't do it.
Then you can't. You gotta fucking say you did it. You got this.
Okay.
You want me to get you a bottle of water? Should I get you a water right now? I'll just go. Hey, you want some water?
I don't want to wear this bra anymore.
Whoa. Are you careful, bro?
Can I take it off?
If it's appropriate, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. Rainbow, what are you doing?
I'm taking it off.
Are your nipples hard? What the fuck? What are you doing?
My nipples are hard. I'm taking my bra off. It's gonna happen. Rainbow. It's gonna happen. You're gonna see it.
What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know.
Take it off.
Take it.
Drake_master_420 cheered
Oh, man.
100. Just keep in mind the hours invested in this subathon. This bod might be too big to lose. That said, much love and enjoy. Ibaby heart, Ibaby bite.
You remember that.
I've been downloading it.
You remember that.
I have to download it every 48 hours.
Just gifted 5.
Oh, Cherry Poppins! Cherry Poppins! Cherry Poppins! I was at the vegan food festival. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I was at the vegan
So
food.
you knew Cherry Poppins.
Yes, I do know a Cherry Poppins. I was at the vegan food festival, and I was trying all these hot sauces, and they had a Cherry Poppins flavored hot sauce. Swear to God, I swear. And I was like, I know a Cherry Poppins. And he was like, you know someone named Cherry Poppins? No, you don't. I was like, I do. I know someone named Cherry Poppins. And I was hoping that you saw that.
No, you said that was his real name. You're like, I know someone that's their real name.
No, I didn't. It doesn't matter if that's their real name. That's their real name. Their name is Cherry Poppins. Who cares? Who cares? But anyways, I was thinking of...
You guys like, oh, that's weird.
I was thinking about you. Oh shit, I gotta get that stuff. Seriously, I was literally like, oh my god, it's Cherry Poppins. Like, I swear to... It was crazy. It was crazy. I swear. Thank you so much for the 5 gifted subs, by the way.
What is that? Is that a trick? Woohoo!
You ruined it. You ruined it.
You're so close.
X100. Rainbow is not going to remember her Catalina vacation of 2024.
Yes, I am.
She's good.
I remember that fucking lobster for sure.
21 in late just resubscribed for 20 months. Thanks for all the great content and have a great time, you two.
Me and Ed the llama just be chilling. Thank you. Shit, I'm fucked. Thank you for 21 months. Fuck, I'm fucked. God damn it. The hiccups gotta end.
You don't need to do it.
I do.
It would just be cool if you finished.
I need to finish it.
You're so close.
It'll be an event.
You're so close.
You want some little birdie?
Yo, what is one handing you to the floor?
I'll be like, oops.
Your wrist can't even hold that weight. Come on, bottoms up and let's go to the next activity. All the way to the end. Let's see you go to the end. It's going to be unpleasant for like 1 minute, but then you'll be done and you won't be upset anymore. All the way. Chug. 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 Drip it. It's okay, a little drippage.
I hiccuped. I hiccuped. I'm going.
It will definitely end well. This is our only beer. And we didn't even want this much beer. It's like, how do you not
it was
order
right
this?
there.
How do you not order a shoe?
I wasn't even planning to get a drink here. I was like, I want to look at that bus. I want to look at that thingy.
Yeah.
And then like, boot. The boot just was here.
That's a little hiccup.
I got another hiccup.
You're so close.
Go sing the song.
What?
Sing the song.
I can't even understand it. I can't.
I could be your rocket.
I can be your rocket, and you can be my flower.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What does that have to do with each other? Oh, $44. $44. Let's go.
That wasn't 88. That was 44. I drank mine, and hers is 44, and it's fucking 4 beers. It's $10 a beer. That's straight up normal price.
Underscore master underscore 420 cheered Dex 100 had to be done. 100 boot beer hype.
It had to be done. We got a hype train at level 1. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, Rainbow, finish that shit. You're so close.
I took the last sips and we gotta go.
No, you gotta finish it off.
It's at 3 o'clock. Rod, man. How about the submarine tour? I did that when I was a kid, but there's no reception in a submarine.
If it's outside of the water, there might be.
It's not.
You just said it was. What are you talking
The
about?
top, above your head, is outside of the water.
Okay, so there's reception. If it's outside of the water, there's reception.
The top is outside of the water. But our head, it's not.
Oh.
It's a submarine. We're standing in it.
We're standing under
and
the
like
water.
3 feet is outside of the water, but where we're standing, we're in the water.
Well, then it should work. Maybe. No.
It's a maybe, but I don't think so.
In Hawaii, when we went in the submarine, remember? At Pearl Harbor? Lost connection.
Yes, but that was an industrial one. This is like...
Industrial? What is that?
Binky from cheered X 420. Chug, chug,
I
chug.
got you.
Chew, chew. Finish das boot.
Yes. Das Boot.
I'll finish this boot.
Das... No. That's a Mexican accent. This boot.
Les buta.
Das Boot.
Das boot.
Das Boot?
Das boot? I'll finish
You ever
das
talk like Guten? Das Boot?
Das boot.
Das Boot? Are you serious?
421 Immolate cheered
So
X
close.
100. When you are done with the beer, it's customary to try the boot on and see if you're the real Cinderella. What is a rainbow?
No way. That's a little midget.
Will it fit? Will it fit? Will it fit? Guten Tag.
Come on, bottoms up. You got it. Drip it down your face. Whatever. Fuck it. She took the hiccup. She swallowed the hiccup.
Give me that.
That was impressive, dog. Wow.
It's gone. It's gone. He doesn't
He doesn't care.
he doesn't
But
care.
I care. You know, that was amazing. Come on.
I'm taking this. Let's go. Let's go.
Homie, we can buy that for
Let's
$20
go,
on
let's go,
Amazon.
let's go. Come
It's
on.
cheaper to transport it
Get
on
the
Amazon than for us to carry it.
Let's go. No, I'm keeping
I'm
this.
gonna steal it. I'll take it. I got it.
Really?
I'll transport it.
Transport it, please. I'm keeping. That's a trophy. I'm gonna ask him. Can I keep it?
Let me buy one for $25. It'll be way easier.
I finished it.
For Ratty cheered X 100.
He's gonna know you're drunk, but go for it. But wait till he's done with these fucking tours.
Yeah.
Hold on. Wait, you're gonna scare these old ladies away.
Drake underscore master underscore
I got my beer belly. I got my beer belly.
Ginger.
You're a big girl.
Do I have a sweater?
It's customary to slam this on the floor now. No, don't do it.
That would be so funny.
Give it back. He's looking. Give it back. Rainbow, stop. You know how many times I've broken a bone?
King Panda.
Rainbow,
cheered
please
X
stop.
200.
People are looking at us. All these.
Mostly done. I didn't think you would. That was awesome. Had to
He's
pop.
so scared. He's so scared. I did it. I did it. You were so scared.
You're drunk as fuck.
Oh boy.
He's throwing.
Give me that. Give me that thing.
Get the fuck out of here. You're done.
Level 1 to...
22 cheered Dex 100.